charging. So today I was by myself in the metro, and it was scary. Yeah, metro. Yeah, and I'm an idiot. I was gonna wait with my friends, but I guess I didn't. So they're going over there, and I need to go over there. It's so scary because I have never taken the bus before, well, the metro, and I'm shivering right now. I'm like shaking because I've never taken one. Well, if I don't make it, Mom, I love you. Joselina, sort of like you. Dad, everybody else, I love you guys. Yeah, so there's my video if I don't make it. Okay, bye. I made it. Oh my god, I made it. I can't believe there's a police station. I'm so happy. I actually made it. I am so happy. Oh, an amazing trip from LAX Division Metro Station to Hawthorne Boulevard Station. Yeah, I was by myself. Felt like Digimon. Well, yeah. Well,